Hi, it's Stacey from Proven Winners. It's a great time in spring to be cleaning up your garden, but not everything should be cut back in spring. Shrubs in general, you have to take them on a case-by-case basis. Herbaceous perennials, on the other hand, those can be cut back to the root. But if you have a big mixed border like this and you don't know what's what, how can you tell the difference? Here's a couple of really simple tricks that you can use. For shrubs, if you take a piece of the stem and you just take your pruners and kind of run them off, what you're going to see is a nice fresh green patch under the bark. On the other hand, for herbaceous perennials, if you try to do the scratch test, you're going to see nothing but a dead brown patch, or possibly what's going to happen if you try it, the whole thing might break off even before you get a chance to scratch it. So another really good way to tell is if winter has already taken down part of the plant itself. You can see here, this plant's already falling apart. That's a good indicator that it needs to be cut. Anything that's really brittle and breaks off easily without having to cut it is another good sign. But the number one thing you need to know is when in doubt, don't prune. It's a lot easier to fix something that you haven't done than something that you did do. As always, if you have any questions, we are happy to help. You can find us on Facebook at PW ColorChoice, on Instagram at PW ColorChoice, or go to provenwinners.com/feedback and send us a question. You can also leave a comment on this video. Happy gardening!